the people say, riding high in April, shot down in May, and I know I'm gonna change that tune. When I'm back on top in June, I said that's life, and as funny as it may seem, some people get their kicks stomping on a dream, but I don't let it get me down, 'cause this final word that keeps spinning around. I've been a puppet, a pumper, a pirate, a poet, a pawn and a king. I've been up and down and over and out, and I know one thing: each time I find myself flat on my face, I pick myself up and get back in the race. That's life. I tell you, I can't deny it. I thought of quitting, baby, but my heart just ain't gonna buy it. And if I didn't think it was worth one single try, I'd jump right on a big bird and then I'd fly. I've been a puppet, a pauper, a pirate, a poet, oh, a pawn and a king. I've been up and down, over, out, and I know one thing: each time I find myself laying flat on my face, I just pick myself up and get back in the race. That's life. That's life in a candy night. Many times I thought of cutting out, but my heart just ain't gonna buy it. But if there's nothing shaking come this here July, I'm gonna roll myself up in a big ball